The New Jersey Building and Construction Trades Council, we represent 150,000 men and women in New Jersey. We're made up of carpenters, iron workers, electricians, all the construction trades.
The main goal of the Building Trades and Construction Council is basically putting the union members back to work and making sure that they have good paying jobs.
Build New Jersey, work hard to keep New Jersey moving so the economy can expand. And when the economy expands, it gives more work opportunities for our members.
We sit down with the mayors, town councils, school boards, and we basically educate them on how the unions can most benefit them and the residents in their towns. We show them how we have apprenticeship, how we have updating training for our journeymen, and also the new apprentices coming out have the latest training.
We have 13 local councils throughout the state, and they're out there every day working hard to protect our men and women so they have safe work environments.
Helmets and Hard Hats is a great program. What it does is it gives any military person, man or woman, after they're done with their service with the military, it gives them an opportunity to come back home and be a productive member of society with a good paying job in any trade that they desire.
We realize that without good contractor base, our men and women cannot work. And there were some big sacrifices in cutting wages and benefits. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy to tell your membership that this is going to be for your survival, but I think it has worked and we're starting to come out of it now.
On behalf of the New Jersey State Building Trades and the 13 county councils, I would like to thank the Alliance for Action for this award, and working hand in hand, I think we're a great partnership.
It's about the men and women of New Jersey who build New Jersey. They make up the Building and Construction Trade Council.